Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my February Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys want to find out with me what's in my box for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the theme for the box this month, I just saw something that I planned on purchasing next month at the VIB sale, so I'm so excited. That's what I'm going to show you guys first. So the theme of the box this month is Afterglow, and yeah, that's the theme for this month. Alright, so the thing that I already know that I really like is the No Problem primer from Touch in Sol. I got this as a sample like 6 months ago, and I used every little last drop. This is an awesome primer. This is like, it really reminds me of the Smashbox Primerizer Primer, which is one of my holy grail primers. It's like a really tacky and moisturizing primer. Oh, I love this stuff. I'm so excited. So it's like a pink gel, super lightweight, super moisturizing. Oh, I was totally gonna buy that like in a couple weeks. I just saved myself. Let me tell you how much. Okay, it says $18. I totally thought this was like $50. So I guess it wasn't that big of a deal, but it's a big deal to me because I'm saving myself $18 anyways. I really thought this was like way more expensive. Maybe this is not a full size, but this looks like a huge bottle. All right, so I just had to look up on the Sephora site and make sure this is $18 because I'm blown away. I really thought this was gonna be way more expensive, and I've been putting it off thinking it was so much pricier because it really does feel like super luxurious. So definitely recommend this primer. I feel like this is good for like all skin types, but especially if you're dry and you still want something that's like really hydrating and lightweight. Awesome primer. I'm so excited to have it again in my life. And then next we have a skincare product from Pharmacy. This is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleansers. I just ran out of a cleanser this morning. It was the Tatcha Harbor cleanser. I was using the last like little drop this morning. So you guys know I need to smell everything. And this has a very, very light, clean scent. For some reason, maybe it's just the color. It reminded me of Johnson's baby shampoo. It took me back to like 1991 because I haven't used it since then. But that's what it reminded me of. I am totally gonna use this, and I'm really glad that it's like a big size. And this is worth $22. I'm loving this box so far. And then next, okay, this is from Tristique. This is what it looks like. So this says it's a Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. The value is $25. I feel like this is very similar color to what I'm wearing today. So obviously the color family that I like. It's a little bit, okay, so this is like a glossy product. Yeah, it's super similar to what I'm wearing today. It's a little bit more burgundy. What shade is this? It does not say on this packaging. Oh, it says English Rose, so maybe that's the shade. And this shape of this pencil is like rectangular for some reason. But I'm totally gonna wear this. Normally, I don't like not matte, darker lip colors, but because this is like a little bit more of like a tint and a bit more sheer, not like super opaque, I don't think it's gonna get like messy or anything, so I'm totally gonna try that out. Then it has a little cute lip balm inside. And I actually think that brand is new at Sephora. I always see like 2 or 3 products from them at an end cap at Sephora. And then next, let's see what's in here. Ooh, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I know this is like 25 bucks, $24. Oh, I'm surprised to see something from Too Faced and Boxycharm. I don't think I've ever gotten something from Too Faced. So I've gone through several tubes of this. It's like a really, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up. I was just talking about this mascara in my ColourPop mascara review video because the wands are super similar, where it has like the center that dips and then the outside that's bigger, so it makes your lashes like super, super fluffy. That's Too Faced Better Than Sex. I've definitely gone through maybe like at least 8 to 10 tubes ever since that first came out. And then lastly, ooh, this is from Pretty Vulgar. I feel like we haven't seen them in a while. I haven't heard a lot of people talk about them since they first released last year. And this looks like a highlighter. Yes, this is a highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, that feels awesome. Feels very, very creamy, and that's definitely a shade I wear. Let's see what color this is called. Shimmering Swan. I'm gonna go ahead and double up the highlighter I have on today because I'm not wearing that much for once. And I think I actually want to put a little bit in my inner corner. This is actually kind of powdery, like you guys can see some kick up, but definitely really pigmented, like you can tell in the inner corner. I don't think I put any highlighter in my inner corner today, so yeah, I really like that shade. That's definitely a shade I would wear. Super pigmented, really creamy. So the highlighter retails for $32. It's the most pricey product in this box. Everything's actually pretty pricey. I like everything that I got. I think the thing that I like the least is the lip product, but I'm still gonna use this. Like, this is still a color I would wear, and I'm interested in this formula as well, because you guys know I've been into more glossy and like less opaque lip products, so it's something that I'm into right now. All right, so the value of my box this month is $121. I feel like that's around the price point I normally get, but it feels like a lot more high-end this month because I think everything I got is like a high-end product. Almost, if not everything, is available at Sephora. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, like these are all products that are available at Sephora. Even Trustique, which is more of like an indie brand, is available at Sephora, and it's still like a high-end brand. So I'm excited, especially of course the primer that I thought was like way pricier than it really is. It just is that good. Like, this is a really, really awesome primer. It's not even like in my Sephora's loves list, and that's why I didn't know how much it was, but it was like in the back of my head knowing that I was gonna purchase it at the next Sephora sale. So definitely check this out if you guys haven't tried it. Definitely underrated primer. Definitely excited about the cleanser as well because I've been wanting to try out more from Pharmacy. I think those are the products that I'm most excited for, more like skin-based products. And then I like everything else too. I've used Better Than Sex a million times. The lip product, like I said, I'm interested in, and the highlighters in a shade I'm actually gonna wear, which sometimes does not happen. So I'm gonna use everything in my box this month. I'm really happy about it. Let's keep it on this roll throughout the rest of the year, hopefully. But yeah, that's gonna be everything for my unboxing. I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. I will leave that in my description box if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm through that. Otherwise, you can just go to the Boxycharm website and sign up there. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. I also have a Valentine's Day giveaway on my channel, so that will be linked below too. But that's everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.